This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Becky Gordon. Gorgeous penthouse steps away from the beach, boardwalk, bars, restaurants, entertainment, retail shopping and grocery. The perfect location to be close to everything the beach has to offer. This home has been upgraded to perfection in every room. The kitchen features granite countertops, custom cabinets and stainless appliances. Each bedroom is considered a master suite with its own attached full bathroom and walk-in closet decked out with closet factory finishes. Layout is open concept flowing nicely from kitchen, dining and living room. Awesome outdoor private balcony overlooking the marsh and ocean front. New HVAC, new hot water heater and new window treatments. Unit has 2 covered reserved parking spaces and plenty of guest parking. Additional storage space in the parking area for bikes, beach equipment, etc. Condo fee includes water/sewer/trash, gas, range and fireplace, cable/internet and master insurance. Too many